In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 505 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that this 0 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. But we know that this is the number 0. So we can remove one 0. But although in this case 0 is less than 5, but as we have brought down this 0 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. Again in this case 0 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring this adjacent 5 here. And we know that there is no meaning of zeros on the left. So remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore 505 divided by 5 is equal to 101. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.